Oh hey, are you sure you want to come in here? It's demo day, so it's gonna get really dusty and dirty. Alright, take a good look around. All of this stuff is about to go away. We're going to demo all of this and probably burn it because our trailer is completely full of trash and demo from the last project. But we don't want to delay this any longer, so let's get this going. Down here, you guys, look at that. Look at all of that dirt and spider webs. Ugh.
Lucky Charms? That's gross.
I'll give you $10 if you'll eat some of that. Just take one bite.
No. It's not even the marshmallows.
So we need to unscrew this first. Then we're going to hammer this down. It's going to be so disgusting. So when we were putting the big part on top, it was kind of disgusting because we could see Lucky Charms. And it was so gross. So after we get unscrewing, we're going to get some bandages. And then our camper's going to be the messiest that it's ever been. I hope that we will get through it. I don't know how to use a screwdriver. It's so weird.
Got a new screwdriver. It's actually
So we have to undo the hinges. One screw, done. These screws are so small and they have a weird bit. It took us a second to find the bit.
And that's easy. That is really easy for washing in and leave out our camper.
It's surprising how easy this was to take out, though. I thought it'd be a lot harder because of how rusty it is. Stay tuned. We're gonna hurry up and get the rest of the nails done and tear this down. Guys, this is so disgusting. I'm touching old Lucky Charms.
Nice. Thanks for doing it out the window. So Trevor likes to just destruct and do demo, but you have to be gentle and take like the electrical out first, so then nobody gets hurt. So I'm about to let Trevor loose to just destruct away, but gotta get these things out of the way first. Okay, Trevor, all yours. Haha, we got it!
Save you guys some time. You already know the process. So, in a few seconds, you're going to see this finished. In 3, 2, 1.
The worst part of our camper, and it's about to go down. Look at how it's like sagging even. That's awful. Who would even sleep right here?
Let's tear this down. We don't even have the top bunk anymore. Look up how on the bottom it's so nice and white. But on the top it's so dirty.
Look at all this mold right here. So dirty.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is so heavy.
Just hit the phone. Let's see if this baby can throw it out.
I don't think I can do it. It's too heavy. Ugh.
Progress is done.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Look at that wood.
Why do you have to make it happen? I'm not vegan. I don't want to be.
You can like stay outside.
Outside. Like, there isn't one to go outside.
Haha! Yeah, another wall down. That is the end of the demo for now. We have almost all of the corners exposed now, so we can get those framed out, but I still want to demo a little bit more, like the rest of the bathroom and a few other things. So for now, this is it for demo. Look for part 2, hopefully soon, of the rest of the demo. So get rid of that nasty smell. Thanks for watching. This has a mirror on it. Should I throw it? Okay, here it goes. I'm probably gonna have bad luck. Let's hope it doesn't break. Sit on cushions. I guess I cheated.
Go. Just go. You know you're on camera, right?
Oh darn, look at the time. I guess it's quitting time. Oh, bonkless.